Okay, so welcome back. This video, we're going to talk about the additional features that you can add on to your affiliate program. So if we go back to our mind map here, for the most part with Affiliate WP and for the YITH WooCommerce affiliate plugin for WordPress, for the most part, it fulfills pretty much everything here. So that's good. So what we're seeing here is the blue can actually now turn into green because we know that we have a system, we have the plugin, we have the technical system that will allow us to achieve that. So now what we're doing is looking at the other features that are available to you. So with Affiliate WP, if you go under their add-ons, they have pro add-ons and free add-ons and third-party add-ons. So pro add-ons are created by the Affiliate WP team. Official free add-ons are free, of course, and the third party are just created by other vendors and other programmers. So let's go ahead and check these out. One thing with Affiliate WP is if you check out their pricing, so by default, the personal level is $99 per year. So that's a good start if you want to just get started. The free add-ons are here. You can click on that to get an idea of what's available. Now, because we figured out that the core foundation or the core system fulfills our needs, then that's a green light to just start with the personal right here. And as we grow, we can move on over here. So this is a per year offer. They do have a lifetime offer, I believe, if under the ultimate version. Yeah, so this is one time. So if you don't want to pay yearly, you can just pay this. And what's cool about this is you'll get the pro add-ons plus any other future add-ons that they add for life. So, but like I said, it's in my opinion that you should always start with this. And once you have a good grasp and you make more money, then increase over here. Okay, so the pro add-ons, as you can see here, it has REST API, Zapier. So Zapier is basically allows you to automate different pieces of your affiliate site or website. So we have the affiliate landing pages, create dedicated landing pages for your affiliates, direct link tracking, custom affiliate slugs, so automatically generate custom slugs or let your affiliates create their own. So this is what we were talking about in terms of the custom affiliate links. So it looks like this is actually in the pro section. So if you wanted to do that, you would have to buy that particular plugin. So we have other things like recurring referrals, tiered affiliate rates, and lifetime commissions. So if you want to offer lifetime commissions, then they require this add-on here. So the lifetime commissions add-on links a customer to an affiliate, allowing the linked affiliate to receive commissions on all future purchases by the customer. So the reason why a plugin is needed is because they want to override the system so that if somebody refers that specific customer, then they are not tagged to anybody else except for the initial affiliate, if that makes sense. Okay, so down here is the free add-ons, and we can see that you can say starting affiliate ID, you can specify custom ID, affiliate area tabs, affiliate info. So for the free section, this really focuses on basically providing your affiliate with tools that they can then use to promote your products and services. External referral links allow own referrals, show affiliate coupons, show affiliates, track coupon codes that are assigned to them. So this seems like you can also do the custom affiliate coupons. You got sign up bonus, leaderboard for your top affiliates, store credit, order details, WooCommerce redirect, and checkout. So what I recommend that you do is just go through these and take a look to see whether or not they are going to be good for you in addition to your initial core foundation. So these right here are third-party add-ons. So it says the following add-ons are not official affiliate WP built-in add-ons. So what that means is basically Affiliate WP's team did not develop these. These are developed by people that are on the outside of affiliatewp.com. So that's kind of a little disclaimer. And here it says upsell plugin integration, SendOwl, cross domain, crypto, so allows people to pay with crypto, gamify your affiliate. So there's a lot of integrations into other platforms, affiliate groups. So, all right, so those are the add-ons for the Affiliate WP. Now, in terms of if you're using WooCommerce, on the other hand, then the Yith themes affiliate plugin would be for you. And we can scroll down where we left off earlier, and it says, let's see, you can translations, you can get an idea of the free versus premium. And I recommend that you check this out if you're using WooCommerce and see for yourself, is the free version all you need, or do you really need to upgrade to the premium version? Because in some cases, some of you might not even need to use the premium version at all. You can simply use the free version right here. So the premium version and the free version. So plugin integrations, this gives us an idea of the different integrations. So we can offer PayPal, Stripe, points and rewards, subscriptions, and WooCommerce subscriptions. Okay, so I recommend that you go ahead and check these two sites out, affiliatewp.com, and then of course, Yith Themes. So yithemes.com. And when you get to this page, you're going to see a list of the different plugins that they have available to you. But what you want to do is you want to simply look for the affiliate plugin. Now, another little trick you can do is just do a search. In this case, I'm using a Windows computer. I did Control F. With Mac, I think it's like Command F. But if you just type in the keyword affiliate, you will be able to find the plugin. So this is the one that we were looking at earlier, and that is it. Okay, so now that you have an idea of the different WordPress plugins, the different additional features that it has, let's talk about the installation. I'm going to show you the process with Affiliate WP specifically in terms of, installing. How do you, customize it to fit your needs? All right, let's go ahead and do that.